Hey guys, how's it going? Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Opera Browser Developer Edition. So, by far the easiest way to set up this browser, in my humble opinion, is to use the Snap version. So if you search for Snap, search Opera, you will see various versions of the browser. You can see Developer, Beta, and just Opera. From here you can do sudo snap install Opera Developer, enter your password, and spell the install button. Spell the install word right would also help you guys. And it will download everything you need. So once all of the downloading is done, it will automatically connect your browser. You can then look for Opera in the menu here, and we see Opera Developer. We can go ahead and launch that, and you have to wait a couple of seconds, sometimes a couple of minutes, but it will start up. And there you have it. We have the Opera Developer app installed and ready to use, and we can confirm that it is working. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you get the Opera Developer system working if you are a developer on Linux and you want to use this app. Anyways guys, I will see you in the next video.